Today we're going to talk about getting your character to walk forward. You should already have your character walking on a spot, and we're going to work on getting the character to walk forward. And you can see that the feet of the character is planted to the ground. It should not be sliding, and you're going to get your character to walk across the screen and submit for your final. Alright, I'm going to show you how to execute this walk forward. Okay, so you should have your file similar to what I have here. Alright, I'm going to turn on the graph to show you. Okay, I'm just going to select all the curves, and you can see that the cycle should look something like this, right? So there's nothing behind, there's nothing in front, it's clean. So there's frame 1 to frame 25, it's identical. So that we're going to loop this animation, and so we're going to select infinity. Right, I'm going to deselect the world space, select all the last keys, go to curves, pose infinity, and turn on cycle. And I'm going to go down to view, check infinity box, and there you go. So you can see that the animation will keep looping by itself. Right, I'm going to maybe select about 200 frames, just drag it out, and just to show you that the walk on the spot walk cycle, right? So it should look something like this, and now we're going to get the character to walk forward. Okay, so what we need to do is just to select the TZ of the right foot, okay, the foot that is on the contact. Okay, we need to select this section of it, contact to the liftoff, Control C, copy. What I did was Control C, just select and hit the hotkey Control C, and go to the world space, key the first frame on TZ. Right click, set key. Okay, select the first key, Control V, paste. And I'm going to shift the graph to the positive because we want the character to walk forward and not backward. Okay, we'll get it shift forward and switch to constant. Right, and I'm going to just copy up this graph, Control C again, and select the last key, Control V. Alright, so I'm just going to show you the foot, the side view, scrubbing the timeline, so now you can see that the character is walking forward and it's not sliding. Right, so if yours is sliding, means that your curves are incorrect. The TZ needs to be fixed. Okay, so next thing, I'm just going to copy, Control C, and again go back to the last key and Control V, and again duplicate what I did, Control C, Control V, and all the way to maybe about 200 frames. Control C, last key again, Control V. Alright, so I'm just going to show you from the side view. Okay, so we're going to play blast the character walking across the screen, right? So just have it outside, and there you go. Okay, so you got the character walking across. Alright, so one last thing to take note. So we want the character to be in front of the grid and not behind. You can see now the grid is covering the legs, which is not ideal. Alright, so just going to get the character to move in front. So on TX, I'm just going to move 5 forward, so you can see. And I'm going to switch to a camera that is with my name, so I can watermark my work that's done, and so nobody else is going to steal my work and submit as theirs. Right, so you see my name is here. So just going to play. Alright, so you can see the character is not sliding, the feet is planted, solid. It's not like he's walking on ice or anything like that, and he's in front of the grid. Okay, so you just need to play this, and that's your final. Thank you.